So yes guys, welcome to another video. I'm in Leeds at St Ricarius Churchyard. I think I said that right. Some very old headstones in here. I'm staying in the area. It's very, very windy, I do apologise. So I saw this and thought, I've got to film. $1875, there we go. So as you know, every time I come to a cemetery to do this type of content, I look for the oldest grave possible. So 1875 so far. And I do love these old churchyards, because they have some of the best quality headstones, tombs, that sort of thing. Because today's standards are just not very good at all. Here's an example here. I mean, just look at that. That is quality. Can't even see the age on that, but I imagine it's quite old. 1837, 1838 on that one. Wow, I mean, look at this over here. They're just left for nature. They're just left for nature to take over. I mean, look at that. They're just off in the distance. How far round does this go? Wow. It goes all the way back there. I don't think I'm going to risk going through all the brambles, ripping my clothing. We'll see if we can get to it around the back. I imagine we can. There's probably a path around there. I do like that though, that's quite nice. So yeah, St Ricarius, 1855. So 1837 is the oldest one so far. They're just everywhere. I mean, look at that. It's just all through there. Can you get there? 1870. Nope. Hello, sir. I mean, look at that. That is awesome. That's obviously lost the cross and the lid. That looks like a screaming child. 1900. There's obviously some damage there and work's going to be going on. Right, so we're getting into the area now that was at the back, that wasn't accessible around the front. 1872. Wow. Oh my god, this is the edge of the grave of the plot they have. That is ridiculous. Look at the size of it. That must be a very wealthy family to have this size plot for their burials. Definitely a big family. Oh, here's another entrance to this churchyard. Oh, it's quite big then. It goes all the way around down to the main road down there where we first came into this site. (1865) there. Oh wow. So yeah, St Ricarius Churchyard, Aberford. That's where I am, the village of Aberford. Awesome. This is brilliant, I love it. Again, another reason to go into these little villages, go and find these little churchyards. They have so much history, they're very, very old. And you never know who you might find. There might be someone famous in here. I don't know. So this is like the ashes area, I imagine. I mean, look at that. It's amazing. Let's go around the back. Oh wow, here we go, 1809. Aged 4 years and 10 months. Oh wow, a young child. Right, let's go around the back then and have a quick look. 1835. (1779). Oh my god. 1787. Wow, there's so many ways into this cemetery. Oh, this will be the new part of the cemetery for the local parish, that if people die around here, they will then be put in there and buried in there, interned. So yeah, that's where they'll be interned. Any new passing of the locals, they will be in this one. This churchyard that we're in would not probably be able to cope with new burials, so these will be finished. But yeah, just look at them. Some of these headstones are awesome. Oh, there's someone's garden or allotment. Okay. Although these are quite new, 1992, 94, 93. Okay, maybe the newer ones of pre-purchased plots, families that are able to have more burials inside, then they probably do go here then. Wow. Wow, some of these you can't even read because they're just falling apart, where it's worn away with the weather. 1882. So this family went through a lot of turmoil. 1893, William died. Eunice died 1914, but in 1875, Mary died, 2 years, 6 months. Flora died the same year in the May, age just 4 months. And then Robert died the following year, aged 1 year, 10 months. That's amazing. Not in a good way. 3 children died within a year of each other. So 2 in 1875 and 1 in 1876. Some things that people go through in life is heartbreaking. Really, really heartbreaking. But yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this sort of content. If you do, please like the video and consider subscribing. It's free, it costs you absolutely nothing. Now, there are memberships available. They start very low. They help for fuel, for buying me a coffee on long journeys, just to keep me awake. Some of you have done that already, and you are awesome. I love you all. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video. See you later. Thank you.